Hey guys, Jordan from G-Force Performance. Today I'm going to be talking about our DIY Universal Crossmember Kit. This kit is great for those custom applications that we don't have a direct bolt-in of our G-Force patented crossmember. This kit comes with all the components that are used in our crossmembers. It comes with the cutout humps that allow you to run up to 4-inch exhaust. It comes with a center section tube that's laser for your transmission holes. It comes with the angle pieces that would mount to your frame. And then it comes with a length of tubing that goes from the humps to the angle frame pads. With this kit, it will require welding and fabrication, but if there's no other options out there, this is perfect for the DIYer. If you want to learn more about this, check it out on our website, crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.